Welcome back. So today we are going to continue our chapter of mathematics. That is question from the question number 7. We have already completed question number 6. Now we will go to question number 7. So in question number 7, insert commas in the following numbers as per the international system or numeration. So in question number 7, what we have to do, we have to put the commas in which form? In international system of numeration. In international system of numeration, what we have to do, we have to put commas before three numbers. हमें international system में three numbers से पहले क्या करना है? Commas put करना है. So where we will put comma 3, 2, 4, 4, 5, 3, like this. So here it will be read as ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, and 10 million. Okay, so it will be read as 54,534,423. So this is the pattern of international system. Next, 8775634 comma before three numbers again here and here. So it will be read as 87,756,345. Next, again here also after before three numbers. Okay, so it will be 6,561,238,923. Okay, I will show you how to write this one. Let me take the screen. C1. Okay, the number is given to you. Okay, the number is 65612389223. Okay, first we will give the commas 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So it is read as ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, then million, 10 million, 100 million, and this is billion. So it will be written as, or it will be read as 6 billion 561,000,000 again comma 223,000 38,000. Sorry, it's 38. $38,923. Okay, 6,561,238,923. This is the way of writing commas in international system. Next, again this one, 1 2 3 1 2 3, and it's 900 million 99,091. Okay, now next is question number 8. Write the face value and place value of the underlined digit in the following numbers. The numbers are given to you. We have to write the face value and the place value. Question number 8. The first one is A 130156. 3 is in underlined pattern. Okay, so how we will write the solution? First face value and then place value. So the face value of 3 will remain 3. Face value always remains the same. Face value change नहीं होती. Face value as it is ही रहती. So 3 will be the face value of 3, and the place value 1, 10, 100, 1000. So it will be written as 1000 or 3 multiplied by 1000. Okay, this will be the place value of the given number 3000. It's 10,000. This is the place value of the given number. The B1 257 208. 7 in underlined form. Solution: face value of 7 will be 7. Place value ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 7 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 7,000. Okay, then the C1. Question number 8. C. In the C1, 1 3 4 0 6 7 1. So face value of 1 will be 1. Place value is equal to ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, crore. So 1 multiplied by 1, how many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. It will be 1 CR. Okay. Next, question number D. D is 63999. Solution: face value of 9 will be 9. Place value will be 9 into 100, because 2 zeros are there. 9 ones, tens, 100. 9 into 1 0 is equal to 900. This will be the place value. Next, we will go to question number 8. Write question number 8. It is completed. Question number 9. Write the largest and smallest number. So next is question number 9. In question number 9, write the largest and the smallest number. From A and B, we have to write the largest and the smallest one. So first, question number 9, A1. First, write down the question, that is 155,76982. The another one is 5572007. Next, 155,76981. And the next one is 5529110. So we have to write the largest and smallest. Okay, so largest, to find the largest and the smallest number, first what we will do, we will write the places. This is for, let me change the color for writing the places. Okay, let me take it back. So the first one, this is on ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Okay, the second one is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Third one, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Fourth one, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. So the two numbers are of crores and the two numbers are of 10 lakh. We get now we can decide crores are largest. So we have to decide from these two numbers. हमें ये two numbers में से find करना है कि largest कौन सा. 1 is same, 55 same, 76 same, 982 981. So which one is larger, 81 or 82? Yes, 82. So the largest number is 1 crore 55 lakh 76,982 is the largest number. Now the next one is the smallest. Smallest means we will take from these two numbers because it is in lakhs. So 55 same, 72, 29. Which one is greater, 29 or 72? Yes, 72. So we have to take the smallest. So which one we will take? This one. 55 lakh 29,110. So this is the method to write the smallest and the largest number. Other sum you will do by your own. And just let me give me your book so that I can check it and I can return you back. Next one, question number 10. Question number 10. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Okay, what we have to do here, we have to arrange the numbers in the ascending order. Let me take the screen. Ascending order means smaller number to the bigger number. We all know that what is ascending and what is descending. Okay. Now question number 10, that is your ascending order. A1. First question is given 5 4 5 3 5 3 4 4. Okay. Next is 6 4 6 4 6 4. Another one 7 6 7 6 7. Okay. The next one is 7, 8, 7, 8, 6, 8, 7, 5, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is the number. What we have to do, we have to arrange it in ascending order. Ascending order means from smaller number to the bigger number, smallest to the largest or biggest. So first, again we have to write ones, tens, hundreds. So let me change the color again. Okay, so here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Again next one, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So from these 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, the smallest one is 10,000. So first we will write 76,760, 76,767 is the smallest number. So first we will write this. Now the next one is of lakh. Next is of 10 lakh. So this is the smallest. 6,46,464. The next one is 10 lakh. 24 lakh 23,456. The another one, 7 crore is greater or 5 crore? 7. So we will write this one. 5 crore 45 lakh 35,344. And the another one, 7 crore 87 lakh 86,875. This will be the ascending order from the smallest to the largest. So in this pattern you will solve the another two sums which is given in your textbook. Okay, now next we will go to question number 11. I guess it's missing here. Question number 11. Okay, I will write it down. Question number 11 is your descending order. In question number 11, from largest number to the large to small or big to small. So in ascending or descending order, first the number is given 15, 62, 387, same as ascending order. जैसे हमने ascending order solve करा हम वैसे ही descending order भी solve करेंगे. Then next is 15, 65, 872. Next number 15, 03, 798. And the another one is 15, 24, 367. This is your question. So in question number 11, what we have to do? We have to write from the largest number to the smallest number, because it is descending order. The numbers are decreasing. Let me change the color again. So now we will write ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Now here all the numbers are in lakhs. Okay. Now what we have to do, how we will solve this? We are going to start with 15 lakh, 15 lakh, 15 lakh, 15 lakh. Okay. 62,000, 65,000, 3,000, 24,000. The most biggest number is 65. So we will write here 15 lakh 65,872. The next one is 62. So 15 lakh 62,387. The another one 15 lakh 24,367. And the last one is 15 lakh not 3,798. This is your descending order. That is question number 11. Now in question number 11, another two sums you will do by your own. Okay. Now we will go to question number 12. In question number 12, it's given from the smallest and largest number using all the given digits only once. The numbers which you have given to you like 1, 4, 5, 6, 2 and 7, ये जो numbers आपको दिए हैं क्वेश्चन में, हमें ये numbers को सिर्फ एक बार यूज करके सबसे छोटा स्मॉलेस्ट और सबसे बड़ा लार्जेस्ट, ये ऐसे दो डिजिट नंबर्स बनाने हैं. सो स्मॉल एंड लार्ज. Okay, largest. So in the smallest and largest, first 1, then 2, then 4, then 5, 6 and 7. ये number क्या बन गया? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. 1,24,567. This is the smallest number. Now largest 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. So it will become 7,65,421. This is your largest number. यहाँ पे ना numbers repeat हो रहे, ना एक numbers को हम बार बार use करें. Only the numbers we are using one time. हम एक ही बार एक number को use करके एक ऐसा digit number form करें जो सबसे smallest भी हो और सबसे. Now I will show you the another sum, second one. B is 3, 0, 4, 2, 7, 5, 8. Okay. Now in here you can see you have 3, 0, 4, 2, 7, 5, 8. This is your question. Smallest and largest. So smallest, now you can say the smallest number is 0. लेकिन अगर हम नंबर 0 से स्टार्ट करेंगे तो नंबर की कोई वैल्यू रहेंगी क्या? नो. सो वी हैव टू टेक द अनदर स्मॉलेस्ट, फिर उससे थोड़ा और जो छोटा है क्वेश्चन में हमें वो लेना है. दैट इज 2, 2, 0, देन 3, देन 4, 5, 7, 8. So it becomes 2,34,578. Sorry, 20,34,578. Now in the largest 8, 7, 5, okay, 4, 3, 20. Okay, so it becomes 87,54,320. This will be your biggest and the smallest and the largest number. Next, we will go to question number 13. In question number 13, you have to write the following numbers in standard form. एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म में उसने आपको ऑलरेडी दिया है, आपको उसको किस फॉर्म में लिखना है? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. फर्स्ट A1 8 1 2 3 4 प्लस 9 1 2 3 प्लस 200 प्लस 50 प्लस 3. So in the standard form, how you will write? We will write it as 8,000, 89,253. This is the standard form. 89,253. We just have to write the numbers. Okay. Now next we will go to exercise 1.2. Before going to exercise 1.2, first we will revise the measuring masses using large numbers in measurements, like measuring length, mass and capacity, like millimeter, centimeter, meters, kilometers. Okay, so 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to how much? 1 is equal to 10 millimeter. So you have to learn this. It's mm. Okay, you have to learn this measurement so that you can solve the sums easily. So we will go to the first one, that is compare the following measurements and insert greater, less than, greater or equal to. 4.5 meter is equal to 150 centimeter. Now first, how we will solve this? Let me show you how you will solve. Question number 1, A1 4.5 meter dash 150 centimeter. Okay, so you have to measure which one is greater. Okay, so now we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 4.5 meter is equal to how many centimeters? अब ये सेंटीमीटर है, इसीलिए हमको इसको ये वाले सम को भी किस में देखना है? सेंटीमीटर में पुट करके देखना है. So how we will do? 4.5 multiplied by 100. This point and this 0 cut. It becomes 450 centimeter. So which one is greater? 450 centimeter is greater or 150 centimeter is greater? Yes, 450 centimeter. So it will be greater. So हमने क्या करा? सबसे पहले what we have done, ये मीटर में है तो उसको हम किस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे? सेंटीमीटर में. तो पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे? 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. 1 मीटर कितना? 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. 4.5 मीटर अगर लेंथ रही तो कितना सेंटीमीटर होगा? What we have done here, we have multiplied it. 4.5 multiplied by 100. What we get? 450 centimeter. So which one is greater? 450 centimeter is greater than 150 centimeter. Okay. Now the second one. Second one is 420 kilometer dash 42 lakhs meter. So first what we will write, 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1000 meter. Okay, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 420 kilometer is equal to how many meters? Again, 420 multiplied by 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 420, 1, 2, 3. So how much it becomes? 4,20,000. So which one is greater? 4,20,000 or 42 lakh? 42 lakh. So this one will be greater than this one. Okay, आपको हर सम ऐसे सॉल्व करके देखना है and then you have to write which one is greater and which one is smaller. Now the third one is 130 centimeter dash 13 millimeter. Okay, now it is in millimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. हमें पता है because we have seen already. So 130 centimeter is equal to how much? 130 multiplied by 10 is equal to 1300 millimeter. So 1300 is greater or 13 is greater? 1300 is greater or 13? 1300 millimeter is greater than 13 millimeter. Okay. Next, fourth one, 2800 grams dash 2.5 kg. Okay, 1 gram is equal to how much? 1 kg is equal to how many gram? 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So this is your 2.5 kg. 2.5 kg is equal to how many grams? So again 2.5 multiplied by 1000, you get 2500. Okay, so which one is greater, 2500 or 2800? 2500 is greater or 2800? 2800 is greater than 2500. So you have to solve each and every sum like this. Okay, first आप लोग measurements learn करेंगे. Okay, I am writing the measurements here so that it will be easy for you to understand. आपको मैं यहाँ पे आपको short forms में measurements लिख के दे रही हूँ ताकि आप अच्छे से उसको learn कर सकें. Okay, and it's very simple. First one is 200 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. And 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Mg means milligram. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml and 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. Okay, this is the measurements which you will use to solve this blanks, okay, which I have shown you. Next, question number 2 is round off. In round off, what we have to do? Round off means we have to make the number accurate. Means हमें नंबर को क्या करना है, जैसे लाइक नंबर है 28 तो हमें उसको accurate बना के 30 बना दें, राउंड ऑफ. ओके, मतलब यहाँ पे जो चेंज बचते 2 रुपीज़ वो हमें कट करके उसको राउंड ऑफ कितना करना है, 30. ओके, सो हाउ वी कैन डू द राउंड ऑफ. राउंड ऑफ हम कैसे करते हैं? राउंड ऑफ वी हैव इन राउंड ऑफ की क्या टेक्निक है कि इफ द नंबर इफ इन प्लेस ऑफ टेंस ones, tens, hundred or thousand, whatever may be the place. If the number ये places पे if number is 5 or less than 5, 5 है या 5 से लेस है, तो हम वो नंबर को क्या बनाते हैं? We make it as 0. If more than 5, अगर 5 से ज़्यादा है तो हम उसको किससे ऐड करते हैं? We add with 1 and make another number 0. उसके जो बाद के नंबर्स हैं हम उसको क्या बनाते हैं? We make it as 0. So first sum is tens, hundreds and thousands. They have given you. First I will show you of tens. Tens they have given you 39, 55, 48 and 64. Okay. Now tens means we have to see in the place of tens. हमें किसके प्लेस पे किसकी जगह देखना है? टेंस की प्लेस पे. This is your solution. Tens की प्लेस पर चेक करना है. So in place of tens there is 3. 3 is less than 3 is less than 5. So we will make it as 3 and this 9 will turn as 0. It will become 30. 9 की प्लेस पर हम क्या लिखेंगे? 0 and this 3 in place of 3 we will make it as, हम 3 की प्लेस पे 3 ही लिखेंगे क्योंकि 3 is less than 5 because 3 is less than 5. So it becomes 30. Okay. Now here this is 5 and this is 5. So 5 means plus 1 6 and in place of 5 0. It will become 60. Next is 48. 8 is greater than 5. So we will add 1. So it will become 50. Less than 5. It will become 6 will become 7 and 4 will become 0. It will be 70. So 30, 60, 50 and 70 will be your answer. Now next hundreds. 100, it's given 872, 104, 211 and 394. So what are the numbers? 872, 104, 211 and 394. So now which place we will look? We will look at the place of hundreds. Solution. At the place of 100, 872. So 8 is greater than 5. So we will add 1. So it will become 8 plus 1, 9 and another two numbers will become 0, 0. It will be 900. Next is 1. 1 is less than 5. So we will add 0. 1 plus 0 will be 1. Another two numbers will become 0, 0. अगर हमें यहाँ 100 दिया तो हमें किसका प्लेस देखना है? सिर्फ 100 का प्लेस देखना है और वहाँ पे चेक करना है कि 5 से नंबर छोटा है या बड़ा है. अगर बड़ा नंबर है तो हम प्लस ऐड करेंगे, छोटा नंबर है तो 0 ऐड करेंगे. So in this next 2 is less than 5. So 2 plus 0 is 2, and other two numbers will be 0, 0. It will be 200. Next 3 again less, so 0, it will be 3. But here 9 is greater than 4. So it will be 3, 0, 0. It will be 300. Okay. Next thousands. Next is your thousands. In thousands, the numbers are just write down the numbers: 9,722, 7,625, 3,181, 1,486. Okay, these are the numbers. So the solution in thousands, what we have to do? In the round off of thousands, again the same, we have to replace the 3 digits by 0 and the another depending on less than 5 or greater than 5. मतलब हमें ये 3 डिजिट्स को 0 में ट्रांसफ़र करना है और ये नंबर को अगर वो 5 से बड़ा है तो +1 करना है, 5 से छोटा है तो +0. So 9 is greater than 5, so it will be +1. So 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 0, 0. It will be 10,000. Again 7 is greater than 5, so it will become 8,000. Less than 5, so it will be 0, it will be 3,000. And again it will be 1,000. So this will be your answer for round offs. Now next, question number 3 and 4 you will do by your own, and question number 5 then again I will show you in the next lecture. So here we will end our today's lecture. So before ending, your homework is you have to practice some of exercise 1.1 and 1.2. 1.2 is from question number 1 to question number 4. It's almost same. Question number 1 to question number 2 जैसा हमने किए वैसे ही हमें 3rd और 4th भी करना है. So in the next lecture I will start with question number 5. Okay. So and you have to write the measurements and learn it. In next lecture we will go to question number 5, that is your estimation. Okay, thank you and see you in the next lecture.